Welcome to Trisa's Food Lab. Take Kashmiri chili. Please remove this snow. You can take that Pedakar chili. I have taken here Kashmiri chili. Place the water to boil in a vessel. Let it boil till this much. Add the Kashmiri chili into it and switch off the flame. Just see to it that all the chilies is being dipped into it. Here I have taken 100 grams of Kashmiri chili. Soak for 2 to 3 hours. Just dip it once. Take 100 grams of garlic. Please don't take such garlic. It will not be taste good. Remove such garlics. I have here chopping all the garlics. With this you can add the ginger, 1 big piece, and a half small onion. Chop into very small part. Take all the chilies. Drain all the water and place into a jar and make a smooth paste of it. You can add little water while pasting, or please don't take any seeds which is in the water. This will be enough spicy. You can take this water and make paste with this water if required. I have pasted without any water. You can see very smoothly I have pasted. There should not be any lumps of the chili. Now keep the pan, let it be hot. Here I am adding sesame oil, half cup. You can take any cooking oil. Let it be hot very nicely. Let it be hot. Add all the garlics. At the same time add the ginger and onion. Here I have forgot to add it. I am adding after this. See, it should be chopped very nicely. Very small. This should be very light in brown in color. Till that you need to fry the garlics. In authentic way, they are using sesame oil. Here we can use any oil. There is no issue in that. See, I have used this oil. Mix, give a stir continuously till it get fried. See the gas in the medium flame. Don't keep it on high flame. It will be burning very fast. So keep in the slow flame and continuously stir it. Slow to medium flame you can keep it. It's turning into little golden color. Now I remember that I have not put the ginger and onion, so I am chopping some ginger and onion and adding now. but you need to add before while adding the garlic. Keep the flame on very slow. I'm adding here, let it salt for some time. Give a stir continuously. Let it salt for some time. Add all the chili paste. For cleaning the jar which are used for pasting, I have taken some boiled and cooled water. I have taken half cup of water. You can take according to as much you want. Don't add more water, it will be feeling watery. It will not taste. Add salt according to your taste. Here I have added 1 to 1.5 spoon of salt. Boiled water which is been cooled down under room temperature, and I have cleaned the jar and I am adding here now. You can also do the same. Please don't add any room temperature water without boiling, because we need to store this for longer time, so we need to boil the water and then add it. Give a good mix. Let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Add the salt as per your taste. Here I have added 2 teaspoons. I am adding, take 120 ml of tomato sauce. Two tablespoons of soya sauce. Mix well. Mix very well. Let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. It will start changing the color while cooking. It will turn into dark red. While boiling, you can see the oil is getting separated from this paste. Mix very well. You can close with it lid and cook it for, but here I am cooking in oven. Give a mix in between. You can see it's boiling and the oil being separated and segregated on this side. I have taken here the plain vinaigrette, only 1/8 cup. Add this, mix very well and cook for 5 more minutes. And we need to cool down this completely. Then we need to store in glass jar. The jar should be very clean. There should be no any droplets of water, because we need to store for long.